Hello everyone! Today I'm sharing one of my favorite lessons, a really fun, really eye-opening example of what Nano Banana's film wizard can actually do. You will see how it can transform a scene into something completely new, changing the environment, the lighting, even the action, while keeping the character perfect consistent. It's honestly one of my clearest demonstration of how AI is transforming filmmaking and content creation right now. And by the way, if you want to go deeper, I've put the link to the full Nano Banana Pro Master course in the description. It's the long, detailed 5-hour version. And yes, that's the Udemy's bestseller, packed with advanced prompts, workflows, and step-by-step demos. You can grab it with a special discount if you want to continue learning. Alright, let's try jump in. I think you are going to enjoy this one. Do you think Nano Banana can be a film wizard? Can it offer magic for filmmakers and content creators with its ability to create different scenes from one scene? What does this mean? This tool not only thinks in the dimensions you describe, but also creates completely new and original visuals by changing everything down to the scene lighting. One of the most attractive aspects of this system is its ability to turn your imagination-based scenarios into reality. How? For example, if you have a character photo and a different scene image, you can upload these two visuals to Nano Banana and ask it to create a completely new scene. The artificial intelligence not only creates a new composition by combining existing photos, but also applies many atmospheres, from day to night, bright to dim, by changing every type of lighting. Isn't that beautiful? This feature is a great convenience for filmmakers. Thanks to AI programs like Clean AI, it is now very easy to create logical transitions by defining the first frame and the last frame of a scene. That is, you give the first scene and the last scene. It fills the in-between as a video. When Nano Banana is combined with such programs, we get the chance for professional film shoots beyond our imagination. Isn't that incredible? Let's take another look at what this next generation tool can do. Now I have a scene like this. A girl in ballet clothes is looking towards the camera in daylight in a garden. I actually wanted the scene to be absurd because I want to challenge Nano Banana's capabilities. I had placed that girl there later. I upload this and give a prompt. Change the scene. This girl is trying to open the door at night time. So my prompt will change both the scene, the action, and also turn the lights into night lighting. I had made it quite difficult, but if you look, it magnificently created a scene with both a night view, night lighting, and the girl trying to open the door at night in the same clothes. I think it's an incredible thing. I really liked it. Since it has such a feature, let's immediately change the prompt and create a new scene. Change the scene with closer shot and woman is looking at the camera. I want character consistency and the girl is looking at the camera in the same scene. Let's multiply the examples immediately. Again, I'm sitting on a chair inside a cozy cafe. My prompt is, this man is standing next to bar table in the same cafe. He is standing next to the table in the same cafe. It changed the scene brilliantly along with character consistency. All the lights are the same. My entire scene changed. Super. I continue. This man is leaving from this cafe. Servant is showing him exit door. He is leaving the cafe and the employee is showing him the exit door. And it humorously adjusted the prompt magnificently, changing the scene. The consistency is good, the lighting is good. I really liked it. We can use Nano Banana's Film Wizard, that is to say, its scene creation feature, not only on the same scene but also to stage different photos. For example, I have a photo of this woman. I immediately write this prompt. Generate an image of this woman is leaning next to a beach bar and wearing casual clothes. I asked for a photo of a girl wearing casual clothes, leaning next to a bar, in a bar. It prepared it super brilliantly immediately. Everything about the lighting and character consistency is fantastic. I immediately add this guy into previous image. He's also wearing shorts and shirts and he's listening to music. I wanted to place the man from this photo who is listening to music and wearing shorts and shirts next to the girl. It places the photo magnificently. Character consistency is perfect. The movements in the photo don't look calm. They don't look bad. They look perfect. Finally, I add, this man and woman are dancing next to the beach bar and there is a man playing a guitar with cowboy hat. I wanted to add a man playing a guitar with a cowboy hat next to them. It understands the scene wonderfully. When I insert the prompt, it becomes a scene with amazing lighting and fantastic character consistency. You can create wonderful film scenes in other AI tools by using these three scenes with the last frame, first frame feature. Super features. Thanks for watching. You know, I'm not the type to push for likes or comment, but on YouTube it really does help more people find these lessons. So if this video was helpful, feel free to tap like or leave a quick comment. It honestly means a lot. Thanks again for spending your time here and I'll see you in the next lesson.